we're gonna see how many diesels we can make honk. So let's get started. So now we're just kind of waiting for a diesel to pass a diesel. Sorry, you can barely see it, and sorry, you can barely hear me. Just kind of waiting for a diesel to pass, but every diesel that we've passed honked at us, but we've only passed 2 so far, so my hair is blowing everywhere. My hair when I stick it out the window goes. Make sure you subscribe to the Rainbow Assassin Gaming. But he's not in the diesels. Okay, I'll record when we get a little closer. Hey, we're gonna have to do the FCC on this lane, and because the blue death one is it's going fast. That was 3. So we've got 3 so far, and we're just waiting to go catch up to another diesel. So I'll see you then. Okay, so we've caught up to another diesel. And yeah. Have to wait to find the other diesel. That's so funny. I saw the diesel in the car. Waiting. So every diesel we've passed honked at us. So we're just waiting to see another diesel and see if it honks at us. Yeah, and we've only gotten 4. But we've gotten all the ones that, like, we've passed. So, yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. We've made it home.
Maddie, you're dumb.
Please subscribe to what?
Star-Lord Gamer.
And
The Rainbow Assassin G.
No, even me. Even the princess.
so Rainbow Assassin G, right?
The Rainbow.
The Rainbow Assassin G and Star-Lord Gamer and the Barkley Kids.
Someone on Snap.
Okay, have a good day. I'm getting out of the car.
And the shoes.
Hope you enjoyed.
I made it home.